leave this clump here for her? She seems to be thoroughly enjoying it.
Yeah, I'll get you another one. I'll get you another one.
She seems to love that clump, like whatever it is. She seems to love that one. I thought cats weren't supposed to eat grass though, it makes them sick. Oh wait, now she has a piece in her mouth. Oh, she had it for a second. She's thoroughly in love in that. What are you doing, little girl? What are you doing? What did you find? What did you find? Little girl. He's looking for new pieces. He's checking them out to see which is the best piece.